The MightyWifi is a US and global hotspot that can be used wherever you go, while connecting all of your favorite devices at once. Since 2003, MightyWifi and our global partners have serviced over 60 million users worldwide. It can be used in over 150 countries, saving you the trouble of getting international SIMs and high roaming charges, thanks to virtual SIM technology, which eliminates the need for a physical SIM. There is no contract, as you only pay for what you need. To check your data usage and to recharge instantly with more data, use the MightyWifi app to manage your device. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download the app called MightyWifi. You will need to sign up for a new account. To bind your device to the app, select the plus sign in the middle and enter the last 7 digits of the IMEI and enter the key, which is the Wi-Fi password. Select My Data Package to monitor your data usage. Select Shop to purchase more data when needed. The data package will be applied immediately upon purchase. The MightyWifi utilizes the best available carrier in the area, and depending on the cellular coverage, speeds may vary. If you have any questions, send an email to support@mightywifi.net.